Hello, my name is Paul Hughes from Garrison Public Affairs, and we will be doing the brief on behalf of the USAG Stuttgart Safety Office. The primary customer base is the leadership and management within the various units and organisations. Their responsibility is to create and maintain a safe and healthy work environment for their personnel. The Safety Office, as subject matter experts, supports them with advice. The overall objective is the prevention of conditions that cause accidents or other situations which could result in injuries, illness, or property damage. If you notice a safety hazard, please do not hesitate to contact the Safety Office to request an investigation. Should you feel uncomfortable because the matter is in your work environment and you fear adverse consequences, we will, if requested, treat the matter with as much confidentiality as the situation allows. Please understand that the Safety Office's authority is limited to giving advice and recommendations to management or leadership who are then responsible for hazard mitigation actions. The Safety Office cannot act on their own. Despite all prevention efforts, accidents will still happen. Why is it important to report these accidents as soon as possible and through the right procedure? Well, first, regardless whether you are a service member, DA Civilian or NAF Civilian, you are entitled to some form of compensation and benefits in case of on-the-job injury or illness. Typically, these are medical treatment and continuation of pay. Timely reporting ensures that you receive the benefits and don't end up with a financial loss. Second, an accident notification allows the supervisor, leader, and the Safety Office to conduct an investigation of the circumstances, to find out what caused the accident and what measures need to be taken to prevent reoccurrence, that way protecting other personnel. This is in particular important for minor incidents or near misses, where maybe just a bit of luck prevented a serious outcome. Third, and related to first, some incidents end with minor consequences at first, but long-term injuries or health problems start showing a few weeks or months later. In such cases, it is important to have documentation on file that proves the earlier incident and its relation to the later health problems. Let's look at some differences in safety and health signage, those signs that tell you when and how to keep out of trouble in your work environment. You are hopefully used to and observing these types of signs. In Germany and Europe, they look a bit different. European-style safety signs use pictographs explaining what to do or what to avoid. Each category has a shape and signal colour assigned. Prohibition signs are round and have a red boundary and crossbar and a white background. Order signs are also round and have a blue background. Warning or hazard signs have a triangular shape, black boundary and yellow background. Emergency and rescue signs are square or rectangular and have a green background. Fire protection signs are square and have a red background. Army accident statistics over previous years showed that about 60% of Army accident fatalities result from vehicle accidents, both private and Army vehicles. As an effort to reduce these numbers, the Army introduced the Army Traffic Safety Training Program, or ATSTP. This program includes various courses primarily addressing the high-risk groups of young soldiers and motorcycle riders. In the European theatre, IMCOM Europe oversees and coordinates the program. These courses are delivered by contract instructors. The intermediate driver course addresses soldiers under 26 and takes place in a classroom addressing many aspects of behaviour and attitude.
Here are some common traffic features you'll find in Stuttgart.
Motorcycle training consists of the basic rider and experienced rider courses, both conducted on the training site at Stuttgart Army Airfield. These classes are a prerequisite for military personnel to obtain and renew their US Forces Europe motorcycle license. Due to size limitations, the site cannot accommodate the sports bike course. Civilians, family members and contractors are not required to take an MSF course, and they are also not entitled to attend one of the ATSTP contracted courses. All applicants for a US Forces Europe motorcycle license, military, civilians, family members and contractors under SOFA status must have a motorcycle endorsement on their stateside license. They also must attend the 4-hour motorcycle orientation class at the driver testing station and pass the written test. You can find more detailed information on the IMCOM Europe Safety website or contact the local driver testing station, links to which can be found below. You are welcome to contact us if you need more information or have specific questions. However, please understand that due to our function, we are not a front door service and are not available on a walk-in basis. Call us or send us an email at the links below. Thank you for your attention, have a wonderful time in Stuttgart and stay safe.